Hi everyone, hope you guys had a great week. We've been working hard this week to do a lot of our finishing touches on the driveway. Guys, we got all the gravel put in, we followed the original path, and we just cut all the gravel back in where it used to be before it overgrown. So obviously the garage is now fully usable again. We've been able to pull our bigger vehicles in because of the layers. Again, repairing the driveway worked out really good. But we're gonna head over here. We have a lot of bigger vehicles on the grounds that we use. And really with all the mud, which again, having a lot of mud on the grounds is not good for the home life. Bringing a bunch of muddy shoes, not good. But we now have our parking places for our bigger bus, our RVs, things that we have throughout the year here on the grounds to help us run the events. We'll be able to park those down here. We ran out of gravel, so we couldn't go as far as we wanted to go, but it turned out really nice. But guys, this week was a big week for the timber. The Bobcat, the T770 from our friends, Bobcat of Cranberry. We used it all week. It put through the paces, it did what it's supposed to do, and it helped us make some really, really nice paths in the woods without messing up the substrate. But we're gonna head up here, guys, with all the amazing vehicles this week again we utilize to help the grounds become better. Up here, you can see right by the house, we have our awesome Bobcat UV34. It's December 1st, a couple days ago. It's nice and chilly out here. It kept us out of the mud. So until that freezes over and becomes hard pack, it keeps us clean, it keeps us moving, and it allows us to take equipment to where we need it to go. But guys, we're gonna check out some paths here in a few minutes. Hi guys, we're here at the first path. Now imagine a wagon wheel, circle, right? With legs going in or spokes. So for the grounds, for safety reasons, we wanna make sure that we have a exterior path, kind of like Disney World does with it. They do it underground, we're gonna do it on the exterior to allow our personnel, safety people, and or just supplies to be transported around the grounds without interfering with the event. So we started marking key trees and cutting paths. You can see here is one of our first paths inside, cuts across and in to where the events are going to be. So there's multiple paths like this on the perimeter to allow us to move quickly throughout the grounds without interfering with people's experience and again for safety. We're going to continue down the path here and check out some of the other paths we cut this week and some of the markings that we've done to help improve safety, availability, and accessibility on the grounds here. Hi guys, as we go through the grounds, we'll find little things like this, an old medicine bottle of some sort. We try to clean up all the old trash pits. Old farmers didn't have traditional trash like we do these days, so they just find holes in the woods and literally bury things. So as we come across that, we clean that up. But you can see here, we started to really mark out where we want to be and how we want to have things go together. You can see way down there at the yellow stake, they pound those in all week. We roughly mark the township lines to make sure that we have depending on where we want to be with different things, we know where those are at roughly. Obviously it's not precise, but it's close enough. So these roads cut into roughly the Clinton-Jefferson line, and as we go back, you'll see that there's an angle to that, and that allows us to put everything in one township for the time being. Hopefully future development allows us to put in all townships, but currently we're working mostly in Jefferson. And you look and see again, we can see all the trees, the markings, the paths, starting to come together. Hey guys, we're back here on the path. Again, what a great week on the grounds. Hopefully, next week we'll have a name for it, but we're still working on that. Notice all the trees being marked. Those are the ones that will come down to continue our lines and our main roads in and out of the property. But again, guys, great week. Thanks for all the support. Make sure you like and share. Make sure you follow us. And as always, we can't do what we do without you. Come and see us.